I got a new haircut, courtesy of Vito Carbone.
Oh!
Oh yeah, and Paulie, and there's Vito's sister Nicole, and Vito's ugly dog Tubby. Isn't he cute? But
Hey Cody, remember the time Tubby peed on your leg?
yeah, Tubby pees on people.
No, he just
It's
peed on
horrible.
you.
But yeah, we all wanted to say Happy Father's Day to all fathers everywhere, right, Paulie?
Yeah, happy fat day.
And Vito.
Fucking shit.
Well, that means Happy Father's Day and Vito. Tubby, you want to say Happy Father's Day?
Cody, it's a dog.
I know that, Paul.
Fuck yeah!
Yeah. All right. Well, Happy Father's Day to
Lick my
all
fat
of.
balls.
Yeah, lick
Vito.
Vito's fat ass balls. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there, and
You
Happy
fucking
Father's Day to
whore.
my father, Paul's
You
father,
don't even know who your father is.
Vito's father,
Cody, you
Tubby's
don't even have
father,
a father.
and Happy Father's Day to my stepdad. All right. Bye.
Drunk.